Welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you the easiest way how you could recover the Hibernate button which disappeared from your power options. So when you click on the start menu and you go to power options, you see that Hibernate is missing. To recover that, the steps to follow are very easy. Just go to your um, battery icon, click on the right button of the mouse and select power options. Next step, on the left menu, select choose what closing the lid does. You will see here in shutdown settings that there is Hibernate, but these options are not available to select. Click on change settings that are currently unavailable. Make sure to tick Hibernate and select save changes. Go to the start menu, click on the power options, and you will see Hibernate. If the option still didn't appear, then you might want to restart your computer to have it appearing there again. I hope this video tutorial was easy to follow and was helpful to you guys. If you are still in need of help or assistance, just write us a comment with full description of the issue and we will do our best to help you. If you would like, you can always press like and share if you found this video useful, and do not forget to subscribe to get our latest videos. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new